dear guests, I would like to welcome you once again in Astana, in Nazarbayev University at this important forum.
It's the second time that I attend this conference, but I also had the privilege of being associated with the design of Nazarbayev University. So it's very emotional to see how much progress has been achieved. And what I liked very much in this year's forum is the fact that we have so many people from industry. So we are bringing closer the system of higher education and industry. And I think that is key for the future, because universities must make sure that the skills that they give to the students correspond to the needs of employers. And it's also important for employers to know better the capacities that are being developed locally.
It's a partnership that involves the University of Pennsylvania's Graduate School of Education, University of Cambridge in the UK, and then of course Nazarbayev University. And together we've worked together to develop programs in higher education, which is the expertise of Penn, programs in schooling, which is the expertise of Cambridge and Nazarbayev University. So we helped establish the first curriculum for the school together, all together, began setting up the quality assurance processes, and more recently a group of us have been doing research together in terms of looking at higher education and schooling reforms in Kazakhstan. This is not the first forum I've attended. These are wonderful, wonderful events, I think because they bring together people from many different countries, people from a lot of different universities in Kazakhstan and the region together, in this case employers together, all to talk about really important issues about the role of universities in society. And I think bringing together those different groups, academics, practitioners, employers all together, is something that's really special. It's something that you don't see in a lot of other forums. I think the other thing that's really wonderful is that there's so much change and reform that's happening in Kazakhstan that a lot of the leaders of institutions don't get very many opportunities to come together and talk about things. And so I think the forum has been a way in which people can share what's happening and share best ideas and stuff like that. So I think it's very important. It's been a remarkable story of change. And since our involvement beginning 5 years or so ago, when it was just an idea, and at that point it was being called the New University of Astana, it didn't even know what its name was going to be, to seeing the opening of the Graduate School of Education, and then seeing the students, first the faculty coming, then the students coming, and now students beginning to graduate. It's a very, very exciting thing to see how much change has happened in so little time.